Hello friends, welcome back to Network for You, our YouTube channel. As per our subscriber request, I am starting a new series, that is EVNG series from the beginner. Like if you don't know also, you will learn how to use this one. This is also important software. If you are using GNS3, then no need for this one. Some guys are using GNS3, some guys are using EVENG. So if you know how to use and if you set up this one, you can do CCNP as well as CCIE labs also. So this is also important. This is actually the emulated version environment for network security. So we can implement our labs like CCNP lab, BGP and all other protocols in EVNG, same as we do in the GNS3. But for CCNA, no need for this one. If you want, you can do also, no issue. But for CCNP, we need to have GNS3 or EVENG. So in this, we are going to learn how to install and how to use this one. Okay, so let's start. Actually, for this one, we need three things. Okay, what I will do, I will not open the website. We can open and I can show you www. like this. But I am not sure, maybe because of the copyright issue, we will not use. Just I will write here. You can Google like EVNG and you will have the website EVE then -ng.net. You need to open this website. If you type in the Google EVE, you will get that website. After that, you need to go to download. You need to click download and you can download from there the EVNG file. EVNG is having the professional as well as community edition. Free is community edition. Professional, if you want to go, it will be little expensive. But now for our lab purpose, we can use free edition. So you need to click free edition, download. Then you will have the download page. You can download from OVF file. Okay, you can download the OVF file. So we need this file, OVF file. We will use OVF file. You will download one file, OVF file. After that, you need to download the EVNG client also. And if you go down, then you will have the window client side. Let me write here, window client side. You need to download this one also. I already downloaded. I have that one. I will show you. This is the second thing you need to have. You need to download window client side also, like window integrated pack. You can download this one. And you need to have VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation. What is this? This is a hypervisor. You remember in our virtualization, in our CCNA 200-301 series, we discussed hypervisor. Hypervisor is used to create the virtual machine. We have two types of hypervisor, hypervisor 1, hypervisor 2. Hypervisor 1 we use in our organization, but hypervisor 2 we use in our lab environment. Wherever we want to teach or do practice, we will use that one. So VMware Workstation we will use. This one is a hypervisor. So we need this one and we need one more software to load the image also. Okay. Anyhow, I will show you that one. Let me show you that folder I already have. See, we need to have EVNG Community Edition, VMware, this one. And then you need to have EVNG, Win Clan Pack, and you need to have Win SCP. This is a software from which we are going to transfer the images from our computer to EVNG. Okay, so I already installed this one. I did not install this, so let me install. It is very easy steps. Just you need to click and next like that only. Okay, so let me install this one. Let me show you how to install. It will come like this. Then you will press next. You will press next. Whatever default option is coming, you will select OK. And it will install. So this one for client setup means if you did not install this one, then you will have some issue like CLI will not open. So we need to have this one. This is very important. So click next. They will have some options. Accept that one and press next like that. By default, whatever is coming, select that one and press next. Okay, and install. It will install that one, whatever supporting file, whatever needed. This I am installing the EVNG client pack, and you need to install this Win SCP. Okay, the latest one, whatever is available, try to use that one only. Check in the Google and go to that website and download that one. Okay, So now I will press next, and this is finished. It is finished. Then this other file whatever needed, it will install. We need to press yes. It will take some time and it will install. Okay, so it will install the Wireshark also. It will take the Wireshark. I already have, so I will not install, but if you don't have, you can install that one. Okay, so I am installing here Wireshark. He's asked me to replace, so I told okay, replace. So it will install. Maybe it will take long time. If you like, I can pause the video till this installation finish. Let me pause the video till this installation finish. Okay, so if you see this one, this is completed. I will click finish. So now we need to have the workstation. I have the VMware Workstation Pro. If you go to the VMware website, you will have the free edition. You can download the VMware Workstation free edition 15. And after that, I already installed the other here. So what I will do, when you install the VMware, first of all, you need to go to VMware Workstation website and install the free one. Don't install the Pro, you install the normal one. Okay. After that, what you can do, this is a EVNG Community Edition VM. You need to double click this. So it will open in this VMware Workstation. Then whatever name you want to give, you can give here. Okay. So like example, I will give EVE, and I will write EVE, only EVE I will write. Okay, so this is EVE. I will write normal. Anything you can give, no problem. I will let me write EVE only. And then if you want to change the location, you can change, or whatever you have, you can use that one. No problem. Okay, so your wish, whatever you want to use. I already created one virtual folder, and in that folder I am creating another folder, and in this one I am writing the whatever name I am giving. So I am doing like this, but no worries. If you want to use the same one, no problem, you can use the same location. After that, you need to just press import. Then it will import the file and it will come. Okay, so till it will take some time to import this one. We need to wait. Let me check. If it is taking long time, then I will pause the video to make the video short, else it will become long. Okay, so just remember, this is a CCNP CCIE labs we can do in this one. So for that purpose we are installing this. We can do same thing in GNS3 also. Some guys use GNS3, some guys use EVE. So depending upon the choice we can use. I will show both. We have already GNS3 series in our YouTube channel, Network for You. Now we don't have the EVNG, so I am preparing EVNG. We will have like slowly we will have everything. We are going to introduce the Python for network engineer also. Slowly we are going to bring more courses in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with your friend also. So it is taking long time. Let me pause the video. So after that we can maybe we will have the long video. So I will pause the video, or let's finish. It is finishing. So let me wait and check. Okay. So once this is finished, we need to set some property. And remember, before doing this virtualization, you need to enable the virtualization in your laptop, because some laptops is not enabled. So you need to go to in the boot prom and enable the virtualization. So this machine is installed here. You can go here, edit virtual machine, in the edit setting, and you can change the setting also. By default it is taken 6 GB RAM. It is taken 6 GB RAM, processor 4. So I can make this number of core is taken 1, and the processor I can take 1 both, depending upon your wish, or you can depending upon the availability in your laptop, whatever you have. And we need to check this one. Don't forget to check this one. Okay, and this one 6 GB RAM, and this is 2 processor, and the 30 GB hard disk, and automatic is taken the bridge. You can keep the bridge, or you want to take NAT, because sometime if it is not working, we will take NAT, or we will take host like this. So now this is normal, we will keep like this. So, and after that I will press OK. Then what we can do, we can press this power on. So it will power on. After that we will have one IP address. We need to type that IP address in the browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla, any browser. You need to type there. If you are not getting IP address, then you need to change the network adapter in the setting. Just now we check. Okay, it will take some time and it will launch. and first time we will not have the images, so we need to load the images, switch images, router images, whatever. If you want to do the ASA firewall, you need to load the ASA firewall image, or if you want to do the other WLC controller or whatever you want to do, you need to load that image. So see, we have the IP address here. So what we can do here, let me bring the, what I can say, I will bring the Firefox Mozilla. In that one we can do. And remember, your laptop, if you are running this one, it is good if you have your laptop at least 4 GB. You need to have more than 4 GB. Okay, let me write here, or let me type the IP address. Let me type 192.168.2.155. okay, you need to type whatever IP you get here, this IP address 192.168.2.155, you need to type that one. Then you will have like this window, and password you need to write here, admin and EVE. Okay, then press enter. Then you will have like this. Okay, let me first of all see here, you will have like this. Okay, if you want to log in here, you can log in, or if you don't want to log in, no need. No. But for seeing some IP address, we are logging here. In our series, we are going to teach you how to log in that one also. When you want to log in, you need to write root and EVE as a password for this one. Okay, but when you install and you get this IP address, everything is okay. You need to type this IP address in the any Internet Explorer, and password after that is admin EVE. You will have like this. Okay, this is the EVNG in setup. So you will go here inside, add a new, then you need to write any lab, like I will write CCNP test. Okay, and I will save this one. You will save this one. Okay, then it will load and it will open one thing. Now you need to click right and add a note. Here we don't have any image, so nothing will come, only whatever free available with the community edition we will get that one. See, this is not great color. Here if you see, this is only available, color difference you can see, only this is available. If I want to take, I can take example quantity 2. Let me press and take that one. If I want to take this one, I can take only this one. Okay, so I will take this, I will press OK. I have this one, I can click, let me take one more, I can add one more, and like this. So I have 2, and then we can connect this 2. Let me show you here how we can connect. I will take this one and this one, I can take this cable, I can connect here like this. We will have, say OK, then these both are connected. We need to power on this one. I will go here, I will start, I will go here, I will start this one also. Okay, when you start, double click this one and you will have the console. You can open this one, or you can choose, or anything you can open. Okay, so I have like this console for the PC here. Let me assign the IP address. I can assign IP. First of all, I want to check, so I will write show IP here. Show IP. No, nothing is assigned, so we need to assign the IP address here. Okay, let me maximize this like this. I will write IP address 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask we can give /24. Okay, let me something wrong. IP 192.168.1.1/24. Yes, like this. We need, when we are assigning the IP address, let me make zoom. When we are assigning the IP address, we need to write IP, and then you need to write whatever IP you want to give. So I given this one. If you, and it is checking if it is any duplicate, and then if it is no duplicate, nothing, then it is giving the IP is assigned. If you want to check, you can write show IP, then it will show whatever IP is assigned here. And we did not assign the gateway because we don't have the router. In next video we are going to learn how we can assign the gateway also. And for this one, I can minimize. I can go to this this PC. I can start this one. This is already started. Okay, so now I press this one, so it will open the SSH. We can choose which application we want to take, or maybe I can take the default one, whatever is there. So it will come like this window. After that, here I will write show IP. it will show the IP address, nothing is there. If I want to assign the IP, I will write IP, then I will write 192.168.1.2 and I will write /24. Okay, /24. So this IP is assigned here. Let me write like this. And if I want to check, I will write show IP, then it will show we have the IP address. Here I assign 1.2, and for other PC I already assigned 1.1. So let me write this like this, and then we are going to check both are communicating or not. The basic lab, I will write ping 192.168.1.1. pressing this is 1.1, this is PC is 1.1 only, so let me ping 1.2. see, ping is coming, means both PCs are communicating. Let me ping from here also. I will write ping 192.168.1.1. This is 1.1. so reply is coming. So both are working, both PCs are working. So in this lab what we learn, we install the EVNG. Let me revise before closing this video. In next video we are going to learn how we can upload the images in the EVNG, like router image and the switch image. Because if you see here, if you do like this, click the nodes, you will not have the images. Let me show you. If I want to add more node, or you can go here also, you can click the node if you want. Let me go here, add a object and node. If you see this one here, if you see, nothing is there, only we have PCs are available. Actually this is for multi-vendor. Like if you want to do the lab taking one as a Cisco, one as a Juniper, you can do by using EVNG. We can install Juniper images also in this one. So we have the multi-vendor images and we can do other vendor images also. So like this we need to install the images in this, then we can do. But now what we learn, how to install the GNS, we learn that one. Here you have the lock lab. If you open this lab, this is saying the lab is unlock lab. If you lock, you cannot move. If you unlock, you can move. Okay, this is some option we will show when we will do more labs and everything. Like I can move like this. Okay, but if you lock this one, then no one can move. See, it is not moving. So we have this option lock, unlock, and we can close and we can create a new lab like this. We have many options in this. This is also good compared to like packet tracer. Packet tracer is also basic tool. This is the advanced tool. So we will discuss some theory. In this one, if you want to install, first of all you need to have you need to go to EVNG website, click the download, and you need to download OVF file, and you need to download Windows Client Pack, and you need to have VMware Workstation. I use VMware Pro. You need to, if you want to purchase, you can purchase, or if you want to use free, then you need to download the free VMware, not Pro. Okay, and you need, if you want OVI file, you can take professional, but it is paid one. If you want to use free, the one which I shown you, let me open that folder. In this folder, if you see, this is a free edition, EVNG Community Edition VM. So this is free, you can use. So I use this one. First of all, I install VMware, then I install the EVNG client, then I open this one in the VMware, and I install already this one. This one we are going to use to load the image from our PC to EVNG. Okay, when we install, we will have like this, and we need to what we need to do, we need to set the setting which I shown you, and then you start the machine. Then it will come like this. Then this IP address you need to type in the browser. Then it will ask the login detail. You need to write admin EVNG, admin EVE. Then you can have this type of lab environment. When you want to close this one, you can go here and stop this PC and stop this PC also. We stop this one, this both PC. Then you will go. You can close this lab like this when you want to close, and if you want to create new lab, you can create new lab. Whatever you want to do, you can do, and you can log out like this, and then you can close this, and then here you can go like here, and then you can power off like this virtual machine. You can power off and say power off. So this will take some time and it will power off. Okay, this is a power off. And if you want to see any setting, press edit and you can change the setting whatever you want to change. Okay, I hope this video is informative for you, and you like our video. So next video we are going to bring like how to load images in this one. I am going to show you how we can load the router and switch image in the EVNG, and we are going to do a small lab for the router and switch. Okay, thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friend. Very soon we are going to bring more videos for CCNA, CCNP, Python, as well as the other subjects also for networking. Thank you. Bye.